took a course called New Product Development at Berkeley, and in this course, they put together interdisciplinary teams of students, and they have some sort of design task. And myself, Daniel, David Lettieri, who's in the audience and is also an engineer at Berkeley, a business student at Berkeley, were all put on in the same design group. And our sponsor was a Mexican refrigerator manufacturer. And so we were also partnered with 4 students from a university in Mexico City, 2 more engineers and 2 industrial designers. And this refrigerator manufacturer tasked us with building an eco-friendly fridge. And they did this both because there were some upcoming regulations in their markets that were going to cause them to meet some new environmental standards, and because there was an increasing demand for those types of features in their markets, and none of their competitors had introduced those types of things in refrigerators yet. In our process, it was kind of a balancing act between introducing something that's completely different and innovative and building on what's already there. And this class had a very strong focus on user research and on understanding what the customer needs and how your product would fit into the market. And when you look at that, especially with refrigerators, it's very difficult to change the consumer's mind about how they use the device that they're purchasing, because people don't tend to put a lot of thought into their refrigerators. It's a lot different than a car or a building. They just want it to work. And so we had to weigh the changes that we made, and we had to make sure that the product that we were designing was fitting into the user's expectations and fitting into existing infrastructures. And for that reason, a lot of the changes that we made were incremental. We wanted people to still be familiar with the product that we were giving them.
We had 1 semester to figure out where we could have the most impact, which phase in manufacturing or use. And I had never heard of the Eco Materials Advisor before this, and I had to learn it all in the whole course of the class. And it was actually really intuitive and easy to learn. So if you give a tool to someone that's very quick to learn, they'll be more likely to use it. And I feel like the Eco Materials Advisor, since it's built into Inventor, will be really easy for anyone to pick up. I teach CAD classes at UC Berkeley. I teach undergrads. I also teach at San Quentin State Prison in the vocational machine shop. And if you give someone a tool like Inventor, it's really intuitive. People think in 3D. They can visualize in 3D. So these tools are very, very simple to use. And if someone wants to, they can easily implement sustainability into their design with it.